Hey everyone! Have you ever wanted to learn about some of the rarest and most exotic animals in the world? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 of the rarest and most exotic animals you've never heard of that still exist today. From strange-looking birds to unique aquatic creatures, you won't want to miss these fascinating creatures. So let's get started. 10. Patagonian Mora. The Patagonian Mora is a rare and exotic animal found in South America. It is a large rodent that looks like a cross between a rabbit and a guinea pig. It has a short, furry body with a long, bare tail and large, round ears that help it hear predators. Its coat is usually reddish-brown with white markings. The Patagonian Mora inhabits the scrubby grasslands and open woodlands of Argentina and Chile. It is a social animal that lives in groups of up to 12 individuals. It is a herbivore, grazing on grasses, fruits, and other vegetation. During the day, the Patagonian Mora takes shelter in burrows to avoid predators. At night, it can be seen foraging for food. It is a territorial animal and will mark its territory with urine and feces. Despite being a rare and exotic animal, the Patagonian Mora is not threatened and is considered to be a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. 9. Axolotl. The axolotl is a rare and exotic aquatic species native to Mexico, and one of the few amphibians that remain in their larval form. It is characterized by its large eyes and distinctive feathery gills, by which it breathes underwater. The axolotl is entirely aquatic and can grow up to 30 centimeters in length. It has a great ability to regenerate lost body parts, including its limbs, tail, jaws, and even parts of its brain. The axolotl is a carnivore, and its diet consists of worms, insects, crustaceans, and small fish. Its bright colors and unique features have made it a popular pet in some parts of the world. Sadly, the axolotl is an endangered species due to water pollution, habitat destruction, and the introduction of non-native species. 8. Aardwolf. The aardwolf is a small, insectivorous mammal native to Africa, belonging to the same family as hyenas. It is about the size of a large domestic cat and has a grayish-yellow coat and a long, bushy tail. Its name is derived from the Afrikaans word for earth wolf due to its habit of burrowing. Aardwolves are nocturnal and feed exclusively on termites, which they catch with their long, sticky tongues. They are known to be shy, timid animals and will usually flee at the sight of humans. Despite their close relation to hyenas, aardwolves are not known to be aggressive, and in fact, they often form friendships with other animals. Due to their small size and nocturnal habits, aardwolves remain relatively unknown and rarely seen, making them one of the rare and exotic animals you've never heard of. 7. Sunda-clouded leopard. The Sunda-clouded leopard is a species of wild cat native to the Sunda Islands of Indonesia and Malaysia. It is one of the rarest, most elusive, and least studied of all cats, and is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. It has distinctively spotted fur and a long tail, which it uses to balance when it climbs trees. It is smaller than other leopard species, weighing between 11 and 20 kilograms, and has a head-body length of between 70 and 110 centimeters. Its diet consists mainly of small mammals, birds, and reptiles, as well as fruit and other vegetation. As a result of its isolated habitat, the Sunda-clouded leopard is rarely seen in the wild, and its population is thought to be in decline. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this species and increase its population. 6. Pangolin. The pangolin is a unique animal native to parts of Africa and Asia. It is a scaly mammal with a long snout and a tongue that can extend up to 40 centimeters. The pangolin is well known for its ability to curl up into a ball when threatened, with its scales acting as armor against predators. It is an insectivore, feeding primarily on ants and termites, which it locates using its long, sensitive tongue. Pangolins are considered to be critically endangered due to poaching and illegal wildlife trade, and their habitat is rapidly being destroyed. Conservation efforts are currently being undertaken to protect this rare and exotic animal. 5. Dhole. The dhole, also known as the Asiatic wild dog, is a species of canid native to Central, South, and Southeast Asia. These animals are highly social, living and hunting in packs. Voles are incredibly strong, with broad chests and powerful legs, allowing them to run quickly and with agility. They are smaller than wolves, but larger than foxes, with a reddish-brown coat and white markings on their chests and feet. Dholes have an omnivorous diet, which includes small animals, birds, fish, and fruit. They are an endangered species due to hunting and habitat destruction. With increased conservation efforts, the dhole population may be able to recover. 4. Sega Antelope. The Sega antelope is an endangered species of antelope native to the steppe of Eurasia. It is the only species in the genus Sega and the family Sagidae. The Sega antelope has a unique appearance, with a large, overhanging muzzle, a sloping back, and a humped appearance. Its fur is yellow-brown in summer and white in winter. The Sega antelope has a unique ability to adapt to extreme temperatures, allowing it to inhabit some of the harshest regions of Eurasia. It is threatened by habitat loss and poaching, and conservation efforts are underway to protect it. The Sega antelope is an important species for the conservation of the steppe ecosystem and a symbol of the wilds of Eurasia. 3. Okapi. The Okapi is an elusive and mysterious creature that can be found living in the forests of the Democratic Republic of Congo. It is the only living relative of the giraffe, though it looks more like a cross between a zebra and a horse. The Okapi has a brown to reddish coat with white stripes and markings similar to those of a zebra. It is about the size of a donkey, standing up to 5.5 feet tall at the shoulder, and can weigh up to 1,000 pounds. They are herbivores and feed on leaves, buds, and bark from trees and shrubs. The Okapi is a shy and solitary animal, and it is rarely seen in the wild due to its secretive nature. However, it is considered an endangered species, and conservation efforts are in place to protect it from extinction. 2. Fossa. The fossa is a rare and exotic carnivore native to the island of Madagascar. It is the largest predator on the island and has a long, slim body and short, muscular legs, similar to that of a cat or mongoose. Its fur is usually yellow-brown, and it has a long tail and oval, tufted ears. The fossa is an adept climber and can often be found in trees, where it hunts for a variety of prey, including small rodents, birds, reptiles, and even other carnivores. Its diet also includes fruits and vegetables, and it is the only animal known to prey on the highly endangered lemurs which inhabit the island. Fossas are nocturnal and solitary animals, and typically live in small groups of 2 to 5 individuals. They are currently listed as a vulnerable species, with habitat destruction and human hunting posing the greatest threat to their survival. 1. Serval. The serval is a medium-sized wildcat that is native to Africa and can be found in grasslands, savannas, and wetlands. It has long legs and a long body that can range from 2 to 4 feet in length, with a tail that can be up to 2 feet in length. The serval is characterized by its large, rounded ears and its spotted coat, which can range from yellowish-brown to gray. Its diet consists of small mammals, reptiles, birds, and insects. The serval is a solitary animal that is active at night and is capable of leaping up to 12 feet in the air to catch its prey. It is an elusive animal and is considered to be a threatened species due to habitat loss and hunting. So this was all about the video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.